I don't know if it's just me or not, but I always feel like salads are so much better tasting when I don't have to prepare them. So I do this little workaround to sort of prep ingredients ahead of time, and I'm gonna show you how to make one of my favorite chopped salads. Welcome to the Salted Pepper, where we cook for real life using real food and we keep it real simple. Today we're gonna make one of my favorite salads. It's a chopped salad. What I mean by that is all of the ingredients are chopped up fine. So like in a small dice. Now you can make this a ton of different ways, but I'm gonna do a Mediterranean-inspired salad today. It's really, really good. It's great for spring and summer. It's light, refreshing, and all of these ingredients blend together so perfectly. It's just a mouthful of delight, let me tell you. So, I love eating salads. However, I don't like making them because there's a lot of prep involved, let's face it, especially when you have a bunch of different ingredients that you want to add into it. So by the time you get them all chopped up and ready to go, you're like, all right, I'm not even hungry anymore, or let's just grab some takeout because that was a pain. So what I do is I plan ahead and I will make up different ingredients throughout, a couple of days. So it's not stressful or anything. And then I'll make up several different types of salads using same ingredients and prep them ahead of time. Then when I want a salad, just grab it right out of the refrigerator and put your dressing on, and it's absolutely delicious. Now there's some ingredients that will store better in the refrigerator than others, so be careful when you're using things like tomatoes that have a lot of juice. They can make your salad soggy. So a lot of times I will have individual ingredients prepped all at once, and then I can just grab from them and make different salads. Because with these basic ingredients, although they lend themselves towards a Mediterranean type of flavor, you could omit certain things like add cheddar instead of feta. You could spice it up with some cumin in your chickpeas and make sort of a Mexican-inspired salad. So you can really get creative. But let me show you how to make this one because I happen to think this is unbelievably delicious. What I'm starting off with for this salad is romaine lettuce. Obviously, you can use whatever lettuce you like. I just like the crunch of it, and I think it pairs well with the other ingredients. So I'm gonna put some in my bowl, and then I'm just gonna get to dumping in ingredients. First thing I'm gonna put in are some cherry tomatoes. I get the multicolored kind, but you could do any kind you want. Red, yellow, anything. So put those on here. The other thing you could do is make, because this is a big salad here, okay? So this is something I would actually split with Jeff. It would not be something that I would just eat myself. So you can absolutely make a big platter of this salad, okay? And it'll look beautiful to present. And then right before serving, toss it all up and, make the individual bowls. All right, next up, let's put some cucumber. You can take the skins off if you like, or you can keep them on, it's no problem. And then, let's do some red onion. What I'm trying to do is think about the colors that are going in this so that it looks absolutely beautiful when we're done. All right, let's go ahead and get the chickpeas. Now the chickpeas were dried chickpeas that I pressure cooked, and I have a recipe on my website. In fact, it's more of a tutorial that goes over all the different timings for chickpeas, when you want to have them crunchy for a salad, or before you air fry them to make crispy chickpeas, or if you want them softer for more like a dinner side, a mash type of chickpea, because the timings are different. All right, we'll put these in. All right, now let's get some asparagus. This is just steamed asparagus that was steamed for just a few minutes and then shocked in cold water so that it maintained its vibrant color. And actually it cooked a little bit too long for my liking, but it's still gonna be delicious in this salad. All right, there we go. Now, let's see. Let's do some egg. This is just a hard-boiled egg. All right, now let's get some roasted garlic. This is totally optional, but oh my gosh, it's so amazing. And just set that right there. Oh my gosh. Roasted garlic is very sweet. So this is about, I don't know, maybe 8 cloves of roasted garlic. You could use as little or as much as you want, but it's very sweet, so it's not gonna be like an overpowering flavor. Then let's get some of these olives. These are black olives here. And these are Kalamata olives, but you could use regular black olives, it would be fine. And then we need a little bit of feta. And I'll put this over here. Oh my gosh, look at this. It looks so amazing. Beautiful. And then finally some chicken. Now this would be lovely with shrimp as well, or you can just skip the chicken altogether. I'm gonna go ahead and just put the chicken right in the middle. Now what I did for this chicken is I sous vide it, but you could use grilled chicken. You could use, leftover rotisserie chicken, anything you want. I like in a salad a really soft chicken, and I don't care that it doesn't have any color on it because I've got plenty of colors going on in this bowl and it looks absolutely beautiful. I have a recipe on my website to sous vide your chicken, so if you want to try that out, you can look that up. The great thing about that is it's great for meal prep because you can get home from the store with your chicken breasts. You can trim them up. You can choose to season them or not season them. Put them in vacuum sealed bags. You can either sous vide and then freeze, or you could freeze and then take them out to sous vide before you want to use them in a dish. So it's really nice for meal prep. All right, now for another little ingredient that I love to add, mint leaves. These are fresh mint leaves from my garden, and I just put them around the salad, make it look absolutely beautiful. You can chop it up if you want. Sometimes I do that and mix it in with the lettuce. You could do anything you want, but I love the look of it. The flavor blends so incredibly well. It's just absolutely delicious. So definitely grab some mint if you want to make this salad. All right, then we have to have some dressing, right? The dressing that I have is a homemade creamy lemon dressing. And let me tell you, it's amazing. And that recipe is also on my website. And I will link to all these individual recipes down below the video. But oh my gosh, it is amazing. I'm so excited. And now if you want, you don't have to do this, but sometimes I'll just put a little bit of fresh lemon zest. You could even juice a little bit of lemon, but let me tell you, the salad dressing packs a really nice lemony flavor, so you don't need too much. All right, now, normally I would mix this all up and then separate into bowls, but I'm just gonna sort of mix it up in this bowl here and take a few bites. Oh my gosh, look at this, it's so amazing. Oh my gosh. The chickpeas just have a little bit of a snap to them, so they're not mushy, which is perfect for a salad. The chicken is unbelievably tender and juicy. Secret of sous vide cooking. Oh my gosh, so, so good. And then all the other flavors just blend together so perfectly. The saltiness from the feta cheese and just the the little bit of fresh mint in there. It's just simply amazing. And the garlic. Oh my gosh. Do not skip the garlic. It is absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh, I love this salad so much. Now I'm gonna share it with Jeff. So I hope you make this version of a chopped salad or another version of a chopped salad. Use whatever ingredients you like, use whatever kind of salad dressing you like, and enjoy a really nice salad. Prep the day ahead so that when you go to serve your salad, you feel like it's really super easy and you'll be more likely to eat more salads.